John's got the rats.
Tell us when you're doing it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be in the water and presenting.
He gets the rats.
Yeah, and then let's all go in the water and present it.
Presenting.
But yeah, there's a building engineers union too. So
Really?
who knew?
Who knew?
Slippery slide is allowed to present the kids slippery slide. Now we're gonna show you how we do it.
Wait for me. Wait, what is this? Okay.
While we're doing it, we're gonna do a simple example. Ellie, would you want to do it first?
Yes.
We're gonna show you how we do it. And now I think it's my turn with this freezing cold container. And here I go into the coldness of this lake.
Oh my God, that's cold.
Now we'll show you how we present the seeds of goodness.
Really
Well, now it's in this little hole. No, we'll sit in this little hole by taking the stick out and sitting in it. This is our warm seat.